Hey guys, I am in the bedroom of a new build that I've been working on for the last couple years, and we are just in the final stages of styling it, but I wanted to give you my top 3 tips for creating a bedroom that you love. So the first, of course, is the bed. You want to choose a bed that you love. I really like an upholstered bed. The reason is it gives a softness to things. Also, if it's done in a neutral color, you can add basically anything to it. You also want to think about height of the bed. This one was a little taller and it sort of has a paneled effect, which just gives it some visual interest to it. The next thing in a bedroom is the rug. And a lot of people forget about a rug, but it's super important to have a rug. It just really softens up the room and it grounds the space. We're actually going to be replacing this with a bigger one. Rule of thumb is you want it about halfway into the bed, under the bed, and then you want it big enough that when you step off the bed that you actually have room around it. So we went with this neutral nubby one. We'll probably find something similar, just a bigger size. And then third is a focal point. People forget about things behind their bed. So it could be a photo. In this case, it's wallpaper. And we went with like a really cool, fun, almost looks like a painting, muraled wallpaper that just adds that wow factor to the room. So those are my 3 tips to decorating a bedroom that you love. If you liked this video, I'd love it if you could like it. Make sure to subscribe and hop on over to carladreherdesign.com to take my Find Your Style quiz, because the first thing in decorating any room is to know your personal style. Thanks so much. Bye guys.